Cute animals are always fun to draw. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to add a fun scarf and hat to make this adorable penguin drawing. Let's get started. A quick note here, I like to start with a center vertical and horizontal guideline on my paper. The first drawing step is to make the scarf shape that goes around the penguin's neck. Draw it centered on the line, just a bit below the middle of the paper. It's curved on the top and the bottom and the sides. Step number 2. The head has a round dome shape with some cheeks that curve out on either side. I'm drawing one side at a time so that it can match as best I can. Pudgy cheeks are just part of what make this drawing so cute, if you ask me. Step number 3. Now for the nose and lines to make that white face. Start with an oval for the nose. Draw a brow line up and down to follow the shape of the head. After one side is done, then do the same on the other side. If any of the lines look a little bumpy along the way, then take a moment to smooth them out when you're done. Step number 4. The penguin's face is really easy, just a circle for the eye and an oval for the cheek. If you want that little highlight spot in the eye, then add a tiny circle for that too. Step number 5. This penguin body is kind of round and tube-shaped. Draw a line that goes straight down from the scarf, goes around the corner, and curves down a bit at the bottom. When one side is done, then draw the same on the other side. That inside belly line is really easy, just one large big U shape. Step number 6. Now come the penguin flippers. Draw one simple shape on the right and then a matching one on the left. Next are the 2 simple feet that go under the belly. I have just 3 little toe-like shapes on mine. Step number 7. To finish the scarf, it needs to have a large end added like this. It's a simple shape that's rounded on top, and when that is done, then add a smaller one behind it. Afterwards, be sure to erase the inside lines. Now for that cute hat. It has a band on the bottom, sides, and a ball on top. Start with the curved band, then add the sides above it, and a fuzzy little round circle on top. A few curved lines inside the band of the hat will make it look more round. I've got about 6 on mine, 3 on one side and 3 on the other. Step number 8. Okay, it's time to add a little background to this drawing. Even if it's mostly made of snow, we can still add a pretty cloud and sun and a horizon line too. Step number 9. The drawing is done, so it's time to trace all the lines with a black marker. It really will help them all stand out. And a quick step here is to erase any extra pencil lines before you start to color. The best way to color those eyes is with a black marker. It will help make them really dark. The body of the penguin can be colored with a black crayon though, so you can still see those black marker lines around it. The feet and nose are a golden yellow, and a bright red scarf will add a bit of color to this drawing. A green rim on the hat gives it some Christmas color, but feel free to use something else if you wish. I'm using just a little bit of pink for those cheeks. Now for that snowy background. Start by drawing lots and lots of little circles with your blue crayon. And here is my finished penguin drawing. I love how it looks with that cute hat and scarf. My name is Kathy, and for the past 20 years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Visit Art Projects for Kids for over 700 drawing projects, including how to draw a snowman and how to draw a Christmas tree. I hope you try those projects out too. See you next time.